Guess what we're doing today? I'll tell you what we're not doing. Dipping that in there, because it's not good.
Wow!
Lovely tash. It's a welding rod from Temu. I'm going to see how well this welds. What we got here, I think if I just do some little things along here, I mean there's holes in it, but the holes are there for a reason. It's so I can let the water out when I'm doing stuff. But the handle has fell off. Will it weld it back on? I very much doubt it, but we'll give it a shot. It's up for a laugh. I've got a few. It only cost £1 for a good pack of 20. So what could go wrong is the handle could fall off, but I don't really care because it was £1. We'll give this bit a quick scrub. Should I get this lit? Right, I think it's basically just like solder. I bet there's nothing to that, like no hardness. I mean, don't get us wrong, it was dirty. Be fair, like, it's pretty tough. What do you think? Should we try and solder the handle back on? We'll give it a go. Right, look, I'm going to have to chop this bit off, otherwise things are going to melt. To be fair, I'm not really bothered about the handle, so we'll just chop the whole thing off here.
What?
This is probably the worst Stanley knife to use, but it was there and it was at hand, so you know what that's like. If it's there and it's hand, you got to use it on you. Yeah. Or should I use the old cock messer? Cock messer. No. No, we shan't.
Uh-oh. Hello.
Oof, that's very rusty, man.
So could we try that?
Yeah, disgusting. Not surprised it fell off. Woo!
That was bad. I raised myself for fry.
Yeah. It's like a weird rusty ice cream. Right, I think we'll have to chop a bit more off, because what I reckon is, something. Oh.
Wow!
You know what time it is, don't you? Grinding time. Grinding time. Right, I'll grind the rest off. So you don't want to see me just grinding away. But look, lovely, shiny. Unlike that crusty bit, that looks like it could just come out your arse. I think that's good enough for what we're doing anyway. The next bit is the handle on there, because we need a good clean bit on there. So we'll grind that, shall we? Hope you enjoyed those sparks coming towards you. I'll see you in a minute. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So, you may be wondering, how am I going to get something the same diameter, which is the same diameter as that, plugged into it? I've just had an epiphany. Another epiphany. Whatever it means again. I'm just basically just going to slit a hole in there, crimp it together. So that's a smaller diameter, like a cone. Then I'll just go, and then hopefully weld it together, like, you know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? Yeah. Did you see that? You fell on the floor, you silly. You silly. Have you been drinking? Will it fit? Would it not? Who knows? Nah, not quite there yet. See that skinny chicken leg? That's my chicken leg. Anyway, I'll keep forming this till you're ready to see it again. What I did was,
Wow!
bit more modification. I flared these out so I could get that in. I know what's going to happen here. When I heat this up, that little handle's going to fall off probably. It'd be alright if I'm lifting up with like 2 fingers in that one, unlike a normal person with that one. Then you got that one. But hey ho, it's an old wheelbarrow which I'm not really bothered about. The handle was off it. And I just want to get some little welding rods on it. That cost £1 from Temu. Right, should we see what it looks like? I think we should. You fancy a laugh? I do. Why is it a lot of my videos involve fumes? You see that guy who always electrocutes himself? It's like, oh, let's create fumes so I can sniff them in. Make a different kind on it. Anyway, I'll get the rest of the rods welded in if this doesn't fall off. My little 2-finger grabber. See if it actually holds up. I'm not definitely not holding any hoops of that. Like, would be holding my breath. No. Well, look at that. Look what's just fell off. The handle wasn't a very good weld. I would love to do like a little touch test. We'll try again, shall we? We'll try again. This shit is just solder. It's basically solder that you would solder something together. It's not welding rods. Don't buy it. It's crap. Look what happened, man. It's got nothing to do with my welding that. That's just pants. That is hot. Don't pick it up. I'd rather let it burn my little floor. Ah. Well, I've really improved that handle, haven't I? That's going to be fun to grip, isn't it? It's going to rip my hands apart. So there you go. Don't buy Temu Welding Rods because basically solder. Unless you want to solder something together, like electrical components, I probably even trust it for that. I don't know what it is. What metal it's made of, don't know. I've just been breathing in the fumes. So we don't see another video ever again. Any more posts? It's because I'm not here anymore. Goodbye.